It's a great day for all of us to celebrate our International Women's Day. And this is considered as one of the greatest day because everyone on earth consider mother as one of the greatest supporter and who was instrumental for any individual's growth. And internationally, this March 8th is considered as and decided to celebrate, to create or propagate message to respect women and encourage them to come forward in the various initiatives like a leadership, also to be part of political system, also to come forward in the administrative wings of our government agencies and to become great entrepreneurs of the country, so on and so forth. So we also feel as we are running educational institutions, there is a huge percentage of girls are taking up different courses in our campuses. And all the students are making a lot of contribution for the society after their graduation and post-graduation in terms of creating new society by contributing for the upliftment of the society. In our campuses, we celebrate International Women's Day in a much colorful way, where we recognize great women teachers, we recognize great students who have contributed in sports, who have achieved in academics, who are very good in arts and culture. This purpose is to share a message that in a society, women has to be respected, women has to be cared, and women has to be empowered with knowledge and skill so that they also come front to take up the responsibility of the society to serve the country, not only inside the home, but also all the arenas that is there in front of the world. This year 2021, as we all undergone a difficult situation, as COVID has given a new meaning for our life, we all understood how important women contribution has helped us to survive during this pandemic time. They not only cared our entire family, but also they supported mentally to overcome the difficulties both in financially, also different situations which all the families has faced. So I'm sure the International Women's Day celebration is a new message is giving to the society that all the spheres of our activities, women should come forward, women should be respected. And there are a lot of debates and discussions going on this aspect. But we as an educational institutions, we feel every children, because most of the courses now women, girls, children are more in certain courses, and they understood that the importance of that program, and they also taken a decision to get and work in different industries. I think that will make a lot of changes in society, because when women also come forward to support the system, I think there will be a new India, there will be a new life for all of us. And I wish and pray that all the women of our country should come forward and be part of the change which is we are all expecting to enjoy. I wish a happy Women's Day and let all the society respect them, and my pranam to all the great women who have contributed our country. Thank you so much.